Hi guys, today we're back inside some more Roblox and we are playing Flood Escape. Before we get started, please subscribe, hit that post notification button, and smash that like button. So let's get on to the video.
Okay, so I'm gonna go on round hard.
Oh, and guys, I forgot to announce our first subscriber. And so I will be giving a shout out to her. So go check out her channel after you watch this video. And her username for Roblox, well, her channel name is Kylie Fox. So go check it out after you watch this video.
Okay, so this one is called, surprisingly, Skylar Platforms. That makes sense, actually, because it's like Skylar. Yeah. I'm really bad at Skylar Platforms because it's like hard. And that guy just killed me, so I feel bad for him because he's mean. Because, yeah. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna go on whatever one has the least first. So there's 3 6th players, 3 A's, and there's 1 4th. I think 1 4th is the best. So far, hard is hard. So if anyone, if anyone pops up, like, you know. Okay, I'm gonna try hard. So I'm spectating hard. This one, okay, he just died. So yeah, so there's 1 person on easy, but I'm, you know, doing the hard one. Okay, actually, I don't know. Should I do the hard or the easy? I want to do the hard. I'm gonna do the easy. I mean, I don't know. I like this one. I like medium because it's fun and good. Okay. So so this one is pretty easy. It's called Walk Away. It's kind of easy, so yeah. Well, it should be, honestly, it gets more easier with, you know, it's called, a gravity coil. You don't have to buy the gravity coil. You just have to, you know, earn it. And I'm about to die, sadly, but truly. And I just died because I was too zoomed out. That was hard. Okay. So I'm on medium, so yeah. 1 0, game is ready from beginning. Lowering left. Oh, devils. Okay. So this one is called Quality Check. I played this one before. This one's easier, so because it's on hard. I mean medium. Whatever you call it. Yeah, someone got that one weirdly. Okay, so now I am. Oh, there's one down here. I did not kind of see that, so I'm gonna take a risk, and I just died. Okay, and there's 5 players left, so I'm gonna have to wait. Okay, I'm gonna see if there's, like, I'm gonna go in hard. Okay, game is ready, round beginning, lowering left. So the highest one here, it is, alright, never mind, there's not enough time. Sadly, but truly. This one's honestly one of the hardest ones. Scatter platforms is all. So quite hard. And I just made the weirdest noise with my mouth. Okay.
You died again?
Oh, there's an intermission. Okay.
Sure.
Okay, I'm gonna speed because, you know, it's fun.
Oh, wow.
Wait, how many people? Who's gonna wait for one play? I don't know what I'm doing. And I am, well, I surprisingly survived. I like the one where it's like, it's hard without a gravity coil, because then it's like you're gonna die, so.
And guys, leave a comment down below what your favorite game is in Roblox. Madeline, right here, really likes Flood Escape. I do too, but it's not my favorite game.
Flood Escape is my favorite one, because it's like fun. So.
I like Bloxburg. I love Bloxburg.
Okay. 1, 2. Okay, where's the last one? Okay, there he is. Is he gonna die? Wait, oops. What the heck? Okay. No. Okay. So. Shoot. Okay.
Oh my
Did
God.
not get out. That was crazy.
Sorry, guys.
How'd that person get up there? Oh. Okay, that's surprising. And I'm about to die. Oh, don't die. Oh my God, that was a miracle-ish. What I'm saying. Okay, so overlook. Over. Because it's like an overlook. It's like, you look here. Wait, that's not right. Okay. Is this a risk?
Scream like,
Oh my God, 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 oh my God. Sorry. Okay. Sorry, peeps of the world. And as you know, why is people gonna wait? Like when there's an intermission. Okay. Wait, so is never mind. I don't want to do hard. Hard's too hard. I honestly like medium better. Actually, I don't know. I don't want to do easy. I like medium. That's my favorite one. Because it's like not too hard, but it's not too, Okay, so we're in left. Oh, we just did this one. And there's 2 players. Quality check.
guys, for our next video, we are probably going to do our nighttime routine. So leave a comment down below if you want to see that. Because I think it would be really fun for us.
But
And we just want you guys to
be happy.
Yeah, and like
our videos.
and like every morning, wake up, watch one of our videos, and like, I don't know,
When you're eating cereal.
do a nighttime routine, which doesn't make any sense, but okay. And yeah, so we were also thinking of doing a slime video, like who can like do the best slime without failing.
And I died.
And we have glues and like fish bowls. I don't know if you know what those are, but they're like kind of glitters you put in your slime, like
They're not
toppings.
really glitter. Why would people wait for 4 people? Okay. So yeah, we're gonna do this until like what?
And oh my God, you have 40 wins?
Okay, we are doing tall.
I thought you had 3
Tall
wins.
is hard.
I don't even
thought
have
you
a.
had 3 wins?
I don't even have a gravity coil. I'm like not even on 3 wins. Never play with Flood Escape. I play like Bloxburg,
Yeah, I
and
don't know why you do this.
I just like don't really like.
Okay,
Flood.
thank you, bro. Can you if you make it? Oh, he died. I feel bad. Oh, this one's hard with like 1 person.
And guys, leave a comment down below if you know how to play Flood Escape and if you have any tips for us. Even though Madeline's already really good at Flood Escape, but not me. I never made it to crack the code before. So, and I don't really play that much, so that's probably.
Mostly play Bloxburg.
Yeah, I kind of stopped playing. I kind of got bored. I still play
know.
it, but I used to
wanna
play
die
it.
right now. That sucks. Okay. Okay.
Well,
40 wins. That took me quite a while. So, okay. I think we should. This is fun, but yeah. Okay. So this is full, and there's 2 players left. Okay.
oh, maybe because like there's a certain amount of players.
Oh my God! Press that, bro.
Sorry, guys, if I'm kind of talking in the background. Oh my God. She is good at Flood Escape, but she just died.
Because that person killed. Okay.
And guys, go check out. Well, first just click on our channel and go look out our other Roblox.
We want to try
videos
to
we
get
posted.
to about 1,000 subscribers.
No, I said 10 or 5 subscribers for now. But once we get to like 10 subscribers, I want to get to 100. And guys, just click on our channel after this video. I think I posted a Meep City one, an Easter egg one, and I forgot the other one, but it's there. And I did a room tour of my room, And me and my sister, our first video was what's in our Easter basket, or what we got for Easter.
That one was.
And we also did Satisfying Slime one, which was not the best. We kind of laughed in the background a
Oh,
lot.
yeah, that was hilarious.
Yeah.
Hilarious. Yas.
Yas.
Oh my god, oh my god. I'm gonna do like 3 more about.
And then we're going to end this video because it's getting a little too long. And I'm so excited. We might do the nighttime routine really soon. And we're going to show you what we do for nighttime routine. And I like to watch nighttime routines because I'm interested in what other people do for their nighttime routine. If they like watch movies first, or they just go right to bed after they get in their PJs, or I don't really know. That's why I'm interested.
Okay. Oops.
And make sure, guys, to watch all our other videos
Please,
into...
please, like.
We don't really have much subscribers. We only have 1 subscriber, which I showed you guys, Kylie Fox. So go check out her channel after. I saw a nighttime routine in hers. That's what made me think of doing a nighttime routine. So thank you so much, Kylie Fox, for watching our videos. And thank you for supporting us. So, yeah. Go and leave a comment down below, guys, what videos you want to see us post. Because if we might do them, like nighttime routine, morning routine, stuff like that. Slime challenges. Oh, yeah. We do outfits of the day. But in Roblox videos, usually we don't do outfits of the days, but like other stuff.
Oh, this one's so hard. I don't know why this one's an easy. Or in medium, whatever it's called. So, yeah.
And guys, I showed you my username. Oh yeah, the other video was a tycoon. It was Mall Tycoon. I forgot to name it. I just like click so fast because I was like post it. And I forgot to name it. So it's called April 26, 2019.
What the heck?
And I showed you guys my username was 26 Amelia's. Well, she's going to show you at the end, which will be right now.
No.
Yes,
We're gonna
now.
do what? We're gonna do
1 more round.
2 more.
2 more.
Okay. You might hear me.
And look at her avatar. Oh, wow. There's a lot of avatars right now. Look at that bacon hair guy. And look at the guy waving his...
I'm beginning rolling.
What the heck?
Oh my god, okay.
Escape the faculty. Room 1, locked in. Oh, look at her kitty bag. Where'd she go? Where'd she go? Go back to the kitty bag.
Well,
Okay.
we're gonna do 1 more, and then we're gonna have to do the outfit of the day in their video.
Yeah.
Oh.
Look at that guy. He has a backpack, but it's not a kitty backpack.
Okay, I'll wait. I'll be patient.
Jack comes. We have a cat named Jack, and he is so cute and so cuddly, and I love him very much.
So there's this one girl. She looks pretty decent. Good. Okay.
Should we?
If you want. Okay.
Can you?
No.
Why?
Ah.
Well, look at that girl. She has like literally gray skin.
She's gonna die.
Who has gray skin?
That's racist. Okay.
No, gray.
Oh yeah, gray.
Gray.
Gray's a different thing. So.
Like, I'll show you guys. Kind of like this color. Who has like gold?
Okay. So intermission.
Well, I get it because Roblox you can like change your avatar. Like, look at this noob girl. Look. Wait. Where'd the noob girl go? Look at the noob girl.
This one.
Okay, last one. Escape the faculty.
Okay. Oh, the warehouse.
Warehouse
is
chew.
Fishy.
Have you gone to crack? Oh my god. Have you gone to crack this code in this video yet?
Crack the code, yeah.
Oh, you
me?
have?
No, not yet.
Not in this
That's
video.
Not in this video, yeah. I kept dying for some reason because,
And guys, I was gonna do a speedrun video, but nobody was holding it for me, and it's really hard to control and
Oh
hold
my
a speedrun
god, is
at the
that
same
girl
time.
gonna move? I didn't want to risk it because once I did it, and it was bad. Okay, she's gonna come.
Yeah, come on, girl.
Come on.
Come on. Rock and roll. No, that girl
Okay,
has
how are
a cool avatar.
Look
Look at all the stuff she has. What does that gem thing do? That gem thing. That gem thing.
Gem thing. Gem thing. Gem thing.
What?
Gem thing.
Oh, that jewel thing. Sorry, gem jewel. What's the difference? We have a trophy there. We have the gravity coil and
I'm not
that
gonna-
running thing. The running
The
thing.
running thing helps. The running thing really helps. Okay. Turn it back.
Okay, you guys don't want to watch her face moving about gravity coils. And
Stupid. You're welcome, girl, for saving your life, and I might die. Oh, actually, I didn't. This is the last one. Rising towers, it's easier with the gravity coil, so thanks for supporting me, Gravity Girl.
thanks for that girl has a gravity coil too. She's actually trying to help. Madeline, you almost died there.
I know.
Are you lucky you didn't die?
Yes, you think I...
I mean, some game. Is Noah watching Ronald OMG? He plays Hello Neighbor in Roblox. I like his channel. I like Karina's too.
So you're making me do this, girl? You make me do it? I'll make you... You know what? Never mind. That was weird.
You're just lying. Whatever.
I died. I'm gonna do one more, okay? One
No,
more. I'm
Madeline.
gonna do one more. Oh, okay. Okay.
Guys.
It's fine. Wait, actually... Okay, I'm gonna
Okay.
do one more. I'll do one more for you fans.
And then
What?
she's going to show her avatar, not her, oh, heck, her name, so you guys can friend her and follow her, just like
me.
you would do to me. If you,
Knew me.
if you're watching this video.
Watching this video.
Okay, we get the point.
You don't
Madeline.
want to see me.
Okay, now
Wait,
I think
let me-
we're gonna end this video after.
Right here. So guys, thanks for watching.
Wait,
Comment
your
down below.
name?
Oh yeah, my name's Madeline. Oh yeah.
No.
My name's Madeline. And I'll show you my username. Okay.
Guys,
my
there's
username-
Flexcape, guys. Play right now.
My Flood Escape.
Her
Oh, this is
username
my
is
friend.
26 Shiner, and don't add that exclamation point because that's just there. We don't want to do that, and don't add the hello. We just want this without the exclamation point. I don't know how to do that, but
26 Shiner and
In
this is
my-
my profile picture.
in mine. Wait, let me find mine. Mine's right there. 26 Amelia's.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and make sure to smash the thumbs button and subscribe.